Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on BTC. I don't say that I've predicted and the price action followed my prediction. I always show you on your screen that how I predict and how the price action moved according to my prediction. So let me to show you some of examples about the Bitcoin predictions. In fact, these are not predictions. I just find the patterns and I just show you what the calculation says according to those patterns. So first I found this pattern. I'm just starting from the 15th June that the price action of BTC formed a bullish bad pattern, and I also shared this pattern in the video, in the form of video with you guys, that the price action has completed this bullish bad pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone. And as per Fibonacci sequence of this bad pattern, it should take the bullish divergence from here because it was entered from 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. And the price action, I'm just playing this chart, you can see that the price action moved up from this potential reversal zone. This is a very good feature of the Tradingview, that you can play the chart and you can see the current situation, what the price action is doing and what the price action was doing at that time when you posted that chart. And I'm just playing this chart. It's taking a little bit of time, and after that you can see what the price action is doing at this time. If you don't have any account on the Tradingview, then you can also create your free account there. I am sharing the link in the video's description. You can find there. So you can see that the price action just bounced from this potential reversal zone of this bullish bad pattern as per prediction, as per calculation of bullish bad pattern. Then I found another pattern by the Bitcoin, and that was the Bitcoin formed a bullish shark pattern. Let me find the pattern for you. And this was a pattern that I shared with you on 26th of June. And at that time, the price action was just completing this final leg of the bullish shark pattern. And I predicted, as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark pattern, the price action should take the bullish divergence from 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. I'm now playing this chart, and you can see that the price action just completed this final leg of this bullish shark pattern and bounced from this potential reversal zone as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark pattern. Then I found another pattern, and that was a bullish cipher pattern that I shared with you guys in my previous video. And now I'm also going to play this chart, and you can see that the price action entered in this potential reversal zone as per prediction and the Fibonacci calculation of this cipher pattern. This was the initial leg. Then it was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Then projected between 1.272 up to 1.414 Fibonacci projection of X to A leg. Then it is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and this is the retracement level of X to C leg. And as per Fibonacci projection of cipher pattern, I predicted that the price action should move up from here, and this time it can hit the $10,000. And now let's move to the live chart. And in my previous video, as we have already seen that the price action was moving in this falling wedge. At this time, the price action has almost broken out this resistance of this wedge pattern, and I'm expecting that this candlestick will be completely closed above this resistance. For example, if the price action will retest this support, this previous resistance as a support, and that retesting will be failed because we have a very powerful resistance, that the next resistance level is $10,000, then it can be failed in retesting. For example, if it will be failed, then it can again start the movement within this wedge pattern. I have also placed this moon phases indicator, and we can see that the new moon was appeared few days back at this level that was showing a clear indication that the price action can move up to this level, and we can see that the price action has moved up to this level. And if we place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this wedge as I have placed here, then we can see that we have the traders interest up to this level, And above this level, we don't have the trader's interest. If there is a trader interest, that is really very weak, and we have this is a positive sign that we have the trader's interest up to this level from the downside, that is above this support of this wedge pattern. And even though we have this dark moon appeared lower than the previous dark moon, that is showing the signals that the price action can move up to this level, but this volume profile is showing that we have the trader's interest up to this level, and the point of control of the volume profile is above this resistance of wedge pattern. So for the time being, we can just ignore the signals of this moon phases indicator, the bearish signal of the moon phases indicator, because we have this positive signal, we have the point of control here, we have the volume profile showing very low interest of the traders above the support. If the price action will be entered again in this wedge pattern, then we can give some value to this indication or signal. Now, if we move to the next chart, this is the same daily chart. I have placed some resistance and support level that I have found as per movement of the Bitcoin price action. We had the previous support at $8,800 and the next resistance was $9,500. At this time, the price action has broken out the $9,500 resistance level. That was also very powerful resistance, but this $10,000 is very much powerful resistance for the price line, as we can see that even after several attempts, the price action is not able to break out this resistance level. Even since after 13 Feb 2020, we can see that the price action, even before that, we can see that the price action never able to break out this resistance since after it was broken down after 24 September, or in the month of September 2019. The price action is not able to break out this resistance so far. So this is really very important movement for the Bitcoin, that it is trying to break out this key level resistance, and once it will be broken out, then the price action can turn and start more powerful bullish rally, because we also have almost at this level the weekly resistance, the long-term resistance, that is a very strong rejection line since after 2017. You can see that whenever the price line is reaching at this rejection line, then it is moving down. You can see in 2017 when the Bitcoin was reached almost at $20,000, it was rejected, and here it is rejected again, and here it is rejected once, and now it is trying again to break out. And at the end of this video, I would like to show you this pattern that I shared with you guys in the month of April 6, 2020, when the price action completed this final leg of the bullish gardler pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone. And as per Fibonacci projection or sequence of this bullish gardler pattern, I predicted that the price action will move up to this projection of A to D leg that starts from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection level. I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that the price action started a bullish move from this potential reversal zone and entered here. So far, it has produced almost 53 to 54% bullish rally, but I'm expecting more than that, because this is a very powerful hurdle or resistance for the price line that we have at $12,070, and this is the 0.786 Fibonacci projection level of A to D leg. And once it will be broken out, then we can expect that the price action can start more powerful bullish rally than the previous one. As I've already told you, that whenever the price action forms any harmonic move and it crosses up the 0.786 Fibonacci projection, then it turns more bullish than the previous move. So this was the update so far by the price action of Bitcoin. If there will be more updates, I'll definitely share with you. If you like my video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel as well, and do share my videos as well, and do share your opinions, your questions, and your comments in the comment section with me as well. Take care. Goodbye.